project management system. This video tutorial is about user teams. Successful project execution depends on more than just planning. It also requires assigning the right people to the right work. Without a centralized employee directory and well defined teams, task allocation, resource planning, and collaboration becomes difficult to manage. With users and employee teams in Supista PMS, you can organize your workforce, define responsibilities, and simplify project assignment. Let us see how. First of all, let us come on to the employee section. To reach employee section, you must go to master data setup and then click on employee. As you can see, we are already on the employee screen. User, you need to go on the create button and click on it. This form will appear and here you need to fill in all the relevant information you need to create an employee. Let us create one. From these buttons, you can select the department and designation of the said employee. For example, let us put him in sales department. Then you can select which team does this employee belong to. For example, here I am putting him in compliance team. Then you can set the role and responsibility of this person, the gender, date of birth. Then you can enter the mobile number, an hour per cost, if any, and then you need to simply click on create. After you have created an employee, a notification will appear that the employee has been created. And when you go back here, you'll be able to see that the user John Doe has been created. You can see all of the relevant information over here in this table. And Supesta also provides you with multiple options in this table. For example, if you want to pin a user or any column for that matter, you can simply pin it. And when you scroll, as you can see, this particular column would stick. Then, if you need to filter your employees or any column, you can do. If you want to view the employees that are in compliance team, I'll simply go to this filter, click on equals to, then here I'll enter the team name. And as you can see, I'm only able to see the employees that belong to this particular team, which is John Doe and Shaurya. To reset the view, we just need to click on this button, reset view, and it is back to normal. Supesta also provides you with advanced table options. For example, if I want to get a sum of all of my employees, I'll go to this aggregate button. Here, I'll select the employee name column. I'll click on count. As you can see, it is already set to count. And then I'll click on apply changes. Then, as you can see, I'll be able to see the total count of my employees. You can apply this to any column here. To clear it off, you just go here, click on clear all. Now, as you can see, this employee has been created. Now, this employee can be used in all of our projects, work breakdown structure, task, anywhere. You can assign your projects, your tasks, your WBS to this particular employee simply by selecting it. Let me show you how. For example, here I will go back to this project section and then I'll go to task list. Here I'll create a new task. I'll just enter sample task. I can fill in all the relevant information. This is shown in another tutorial video. For now, as you can see, we have this assigned to column. We can just click on this button, select from list. And as we can see, all of the employees that are available to us are showing here. I'll just click on John Doe and then I'll have to click create and this task will be assigned to John Doe. Now let us go back to the master data setup so we can look at employee teams master. As you saw in the previous section, where I was creating an employee and assigning them to a team, here in this section, we can create teams. To create a team, we have to follow the similar procedure. We will simply click on create. We can enter the team code. Suppose here I am entering this team name. Let me enter. We can enter team type if there is any particular type. From here on, we can select team lead. Suppose I want to make this employee as the team lead. Then we can select team members. Suppose I want John Doe, and let us say I just want John Doe and this team leader to be the employees of this team. I can enter the total number of members, team responsibilities. I can write a whole description, what this team is for and why is this team created, and then I'll simply click on create. Here, as you can see, this team has been created. And now, when I create another employee, I can simply assign them to this team. For example, if I want to change John Doe's team, I'll go here. I'll click on engineering team. As you can see, it is now appearing here. I'll click on it, and then as you can see, this has been updated. Managing employees and team from a centralized location ensures consistent resource planning across all of the projects. Employee profiles capture organizational details and costing informations, while predefined teams simplify project assignments, improve collaboration, and reduce the manual effort during project planning. With users and employee teams in Supista PMS, organizations can build a structured workforce ready for project execution. This is it for this video. Thank you very much.